15-year-old arrested after gun found in school bag. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 15-year-old schoolgirl and a man she was traveling with were taken into custody on Monday afternoon after an illegal gun was recovered from her school bag. The police have stated that they will be questioned and later charged. It is reported that personnel attached to the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force were conducting an operation in Kingston Eastern Police Division on Monday afternoon when a Toyota Wish motor car was signaled to stop at the intersection of Windward Road and Mountain View Avenue. The driver complied. The police say that a man fled from the vehicle and managed to elude them. However, the police officers held on to the driver and the 15-year-old schoolgirl. The vehicle and both occupants were searched, and a 9mm pistol and a magazine containing 11 rounds of ammunition were found according to the police. It is believed that the man that ran away was the owner of the firearm. However, that has not been confirmed. Links 007 TV will have more report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.